everyone, this is Sir Arnel, your Sir Pogi Muto, and welcome to the year 1 episode of my videos. Good morning everyone. So this is a happy day for us because this is the first episode of our Sir Pogi Muto year 1, and totoo that we are now in a 1 year of having a YouTube channel. And for today's video, since tayo nga ay 1 year, so we will going to have a challenge. So we are going to answer questions, and we will answer it in 1 minute. So let it see what will happen to this video. But before that, let's have an introduction first. So to give us a very light answer for different questions that we have, so these questions are typically knowing about myself, since year 1 na tayo, para sa mga tao na gusto tayong suportahan. So they going to support us if they really know kung sino talaga yung susuportahan nila. That is why. So, sorry for those noise that we have for today because it's Sunday. So, we have our family here in our house. Meron ding mga bata na umiiyak. Then, we have our kids na naglalaro dyan malapit sa bintana. So, don't matter on them. So, the first questions is about, tell me about yourself. So, the timer will start now. So, tell me about yourself. So, I am Mr. Arnel B. Anyanuevo Jr. As you can know po, I am a public school teacher. I am also an active member of the Church of Christ, Iglesia ni Cristo. Ako rin po ay church officer, which is napakarami ko pong ginagawa sa buhay. I am also a master of education, master degree students. So, yun from University of Rizal System. I am also a YouTuber. As you can see, that marami po akong ginagawang mga videos from one video last year. So, totally, we are 61 videos. So, my real name is Arnel B. Anyanuevo Jr. Most of my friends, they call me Sir Pogi Muto. But my students are always call me Sir Arnel. But every time that they going to have a or magpapalagda sila, they are having a difficulties, then hindi ka natapos. But anyway, sana naintindihan niya. So next question, where do you live? So the timer starts now. So I live here po in Talim Island. So as you can see, Talim Island is from from the lake. Bakit na-mental block ako? Sorry. So, yeah. Ang Talim Island po ay nasa Laguna Lake. So, our place is surrounded by lake. Kaya po, islang-isla po ang fields dito. And as you can see po, ako rin po ay natira sa Laguna. So, most of my post po ng aking ginawa last year is from Laguna because I almost lived there 6 years. Kaya po, marami ako naging kaibigan na taga Laguna. So, but unfortunately, here in Talim Island, dito po talaga yung lugar namin. And we are happy na nandito kami kasi talagang ang buhay dito is very payak lang po. Very simple. Very simple. Very simple and very happy. So, next question, what is your dream in life? So, sa totoo lang po, okay, timer starts now. Sa totoo lang po, ang pangarap ko po talaga sa buhay is to have a vlogs, charot. Hindi, ang pangarap ko po talaga ay magkaroon ng show na nag-travel around the world. Ayun, example, yung biyahe ni Drew, kapuso na Jessica Soho. Gusto ko po maging part nun kasi nung bata po ako, gusto ko po talaga, kunin kong course is mass communication. Pero ang sabi po ng aking nanay, mas komportable na lang matulog. Pero joke lang po yon. So, I have my eagerness naman po to have my colleges. Kaya nga po naghanap ako ng scholar. And, ayan, nakatapos tayo ng pag-aaral as Bachelor in Elementary Education. So, ngayon po ay teacher na po ako, a licensed teacher, nagtuturo na sa public school. Pero, through this channel po, nagagawa ko po yung mga bagay na gusto ko talaga, which is to travel, to give information, to be part of this world na nagbibigay ng information and having a experiences po. That is why this YouTube channel is not just to have the goal of being monetized. So, hindi po natin ine-expect. Pansinin nyo that I have my 146 subscriber and sometimes I got 100 views. Okay na po sa akin yon. Okay, humaba na ako. Hindi ko nasunod. So, next question is, why you start YouTube channel? So yun, the timer starts now. So I started having my YouTube channel. First of all, gusto ko lang po magkaroon ng account sa YouTube. That is why, para kapag nagko-comment ka, di ba po, once, paano ka magko-comment? So, kailangan po meron kang account from YouTube. So, nagawa po ako noon year 2016. And last year, nag-post po ako ng isang video na may pamagat na mayroong title na Buhay Isla. So, I am looking forward to have a YouTube channel that tells about the life of the Big Islander. Pero, since marami po tayong gusto pang gawin, so, lumawak na po yung acting YouTube channel. Naging ano na rin siya, naging way na rin po, naging way ko na rin po ito sa pagtuturo sa mga bata, sa pagbibigay ng information sa ibang tao on how we do this. And I always have the travel vlog din po kasi gusto ko po talaga na mag-travel, but due to pandemic, virtual na muna tayo. So, next po is, how do you see yourself as a successful YouTuber? So, kung ako po ay magsasucess dito sa YouTube channel na ito, siguro ay being thankful kung mangyayari po yun. And as 1 year of this YouTube, marami po akong mga innovation, marami po akong mga episode na inihahanda para sa inyo, just for make sure na ang akin pong ginagawa is hindi siya totally same as others. Kasi hindi ko po ginawa yung YouTube channel para to make different prank, to make a different challenges, but I am doing this po para magkaroon ng inspiration, to have more knowledge about Taling Island, to more knowledge about being an online teacher here in the Philippines. Ganun po. So that is why today, as a special episode of this video, since we are in year 1, we will have a different episode in our YouTube channel. Yay! So, through my team and through the skills that I learned from video editing, picture editing, and more, so I am now introduced to you the different episode that you will watch for this video. So, everyone, let's count in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Here's my cooking tips for today. First, I hope you learn a lot from me, na nakilala niyo po ako, and sana sa simula ng aking 1 year, which is Sir Pogi Meto year 1, ay makilala nyo pa po ako. Suportahan nyo po ang aking YouTube channel. Hindi naman po masama na mangarap, but this, sabi ko nga po, lagi ko pong sinasabi sa inyo that this YouTube channel is just my platform of doing what I am love doing what I want to do in life. So, hindi man po natupad ang aking pangarap as a field reporter by this YouTube channel, alam ko po na may magagawa po ako. And alam ko po na kasama ko po kayo sa journey na to. So, please do subscribe, click the notification bell, and share this video po. Happy anniversary!